Hello, I'm Georgi Dimitrov, and I'm I will try to be very brief in order to include in the general timesheet. One second, please, to enable camera.
Yes, we can see you now. Perfect.
Yes. My presentation is introduction in data mining. Data mining. Data mining is the way that ordinary business people use a range of data analysis techniques to uncover useful information from data and put that information into practical use. As example, business managers already have desk pilot height with reports. Some have access to computer dashboard, then let them see their data in myriad segments and summaries. Then can data mining really add value? It can. Typical business reports, summaries of what has happened in the past. They don't offer much, if anything, to help you understand why those things happened, or now you might influence what will happen next. Data mining is different. Here is for one example for data mining. A retailer discovered that loyalty program signups could be used to identify what customers were most likely to spend a lot and which would spend a little over time based on just the information gathered on the customer's first visit. This information enabled the retailer to focus marketing investment on the high spenders to maximize revenue and reduce marketing cost. Pioneering data miner Thomas Habaza developed his 9 love for data data minings to guide new data miners as they get down to work. First love of data mining or business goals love. We explore to find information that helps us run the business better. Should this be to mantra of all business data analytics? Of course, it should. We yet notice data miners often focus on technology and other details, which may be interesting, but not align with the needs and the goals of executive decision makers. We got to develop a habitat and identify business goals before doing anything else and focusing on those goals on every step in the data mining process. It's significant that his law comes first. Second love of data mining or business knowledge love. If you have to be a fancy statistician to the data mining, but you not have, but you do have to know something about what the data signify and how the business works. Only when you are interested the understanding the data and the problem that you need to solve, can data mining process help to discover useful information and put it to use. Data mining produces useful result only in the context on available data. You have to know that the data means. If someone sends your unlabeled data, explain that you are a data miner, not a Mexican. You need to know what the fields and cases are. Data mining is no substitute for business understanding. Your own business knowledge has more value than any data mining tool. Tools mean nothing alone. The Maryland speed and power to it on throughout the process. Third law of data mining or data preparation law. Data preparation is most the half of every data mining process and its work. Traditional statistics often have the opportunity to collect new data to addresses specific research question. They might use rigorous process to plan experiments, design survey research questionnaires, or oversight gather high quality data that is well targeted to specific research goals. Yet after all that, they still spent a lot of time cleaning and preparing data for analysis. Data mining, on the other hand, always have to work with whatever data is available. They use existing business records, public data, or the data they can buy. Chances are all the data was gathered from some purpose other than data mining and without any rigorous plan of careful data collection process. How much time? Pretty much every data miner will admit to spending more time on data preparation than on analysis. Some report that 18 to 90% of their time is spent of data preparation. It is glamorous, but it's a vital element of the whole process. For law, no free lunch for the data miner. This law is also now, but by the Shortland NFLDM, meaning that there is no free lunch for the data miner. First, what's a model? It's an equation that presents a pattern observed in data. At least it represents the patterns the right way. Mathematical models of real time are not perfect. This is a fact of life, and it's just true for nuclear physics as it is for data miners. Five law. Then there are always patterns in the data. Think of any famous explorer, and you will realize the successful exploration begins with the goal. Frederick Cook and Robert Peary explored the north region of the planet in search the North Pole. Richard Burton and John Speake explored Africa in search of the source of the Nile River. As a data miner, you explore data in search of useful patterns. In other words, we will be looking for mining field relation among the variables of the data. Understanding these relationships provide better understanding of the business and better prediction of the will be happen in the future. Most importantly, understanding pattern in the data enable you to influence what will happen in future. Six law or insight law. Yes, data mining amplify perception in the business domain. Yes, the word of this law is kind of fancy schemas. It's put in another way. Data mining methods enable you to understanding your business better than you could have done without them. Seven law, prediction law. Prediction law. Here is another way of starting prediction. Increase information locally by generalization. Here's another way of stating this law. Data mining help use helping use what we know to make better prediction or things we don't know. Eighth law or value law. Data miners don't focus over theory. It's a data miner. As a data miner, you may never even know the theory behind the statistical model you use. Maybe that's just a well because in data mining, you are doing in those models in ways what don't necessarily line up with the theory behind them. Statistical doofus over theory that context it makes sense for them to evaluate model based of accuracy. But data miners is not focused over theory. 9. Law of change. The world is always changing. The model that gives you a great prediction today may be useless tomorrow. This is a fact of life for all data analytics, not just only for data miners. Okay. It is phases of data mining. So the phases is business understanding, business data understanding, data preparation, modeling, evaluation, and deployment. It is schema for this. Increasing business understanding. Get a clear understanding of on the problem you're out to solve, how it's impact your organization and your goals for addressing it. Task in this phase include identify your business goal, accessing your situation, define your data mining goals, producing your project plan. Data understanding has 4 phases: gathering data, describing data, exploring, and verify quality. Data preparation has 5 tasks: selecting data, cleaning data, constructing, integrating, formatting. Modeling use modeling. We can use mathematical theories to identify patterns with your data. Task for this phase include selecting techniques, designing tests, building models, and as final accessing models. Evaluation. Evaluation is review the patterns you have discovered and access their potential for business use. Task is evaluating result, review the process, determining the next step. And as final deployment, put your discoveries to work in everyday business task. Task for this phase include planning deployment, reporting final result, and review. As example of possible application of data mining in library science, we can use them for optimization of work of the libraries. For example, floating working hours can be introduced according to the attitude of the readers and their preference. Second example, to increase the users of the libraries by offering them new interesting and provide services for them. And last example, relevance and attraction of your young generation by introducing new and interesting services for them. As final, in this slide showing one typical data mining schema. Reference, I'm use data mining for dummies, one good book. Thank you for your attention. If we have a question, PhD student Lubomir Kotsev will answer your question. Thank you.